Hi everyone! Today we are going to be looking at checking solutions to inequalities. If you remember from our last lesson, inequalities are like equations, except they use symbols like less than, greater than, less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to when you are writing them. Checking solutions works very similar to the way that we checked solutions for equations, except this time we will have the inequality sign in there instead. And so we're going to have to read it out loud and check it that way. So, for example, here is example A. Example A says, tell whether is negative 2 a solution to y minus 5 is greater than or equal to negative 6. Okay, so solution, remember, it means it makes it true. So we're looking for makes the inequality true. So let's go ahead and check. So first we're going to use negative 2 in for y. So we're going to put negative 2 in for the y. So our new inequality is negative 2 minus 5 is greater than or equal to negative 6. All right, so now we're going to solve. I have negative 2 and I remove 5 more. Negative 2 plus a negative 5, which gives me negative 7. So this gives me negative 7. And negative 7 is greater than or equal to negative 6. Is this true? No, this is not true. Negative 7 is further away from 0 than negative 6. So negative 2 is not a solution. So it did not make this true. Okay, let's try another example. Again, we're going to sub in. This one says, tell whether negative 2 is a solution again. Is negative 2 a solution to the inequality negative 5y is less than 14. Okay, so we want to check and see, is this a solution? So we're going to start out by putting negative 2 in for y. So negative 2 goes into y. So we're going to rewrite this. We now have negative 5 times negative 2 less than 14. All right, let's solve it. Negative 5 times negative 2 is 10. Negative times a negative is a positive. 10 is less than 14. Is 10 less than 14? Yes. So this one is yes, negative 2 is a solution, and that's because when you read it, it's true. Negative 10 is less than 14. So we could say 10 is less than 14. It becomes true. Okay, let's do another example. And this time, hopefully it's not negative 2. Negative 3 this time. Okay, so we're looking at example C, and they want to know, is negative 3 a solution of y plus 6 is less than 4. All right, so let's go ahead and try this one. So this time we are going to substitute negative 3 in for y. So negative 3 is going to go into y. So our new problem says negative 3 plus 6 is less than 4. Okay, so now we're going to solve on this side of the problem. I have negative 3. I add 6. So that gives me a total of 3. And 3 is less than 4. So 3 less than 4. So this one is true. Yes, negative 3 is a solution. When I substitute it in there, it works. Negative 3 is a solution. It makes this side less than 4. Okay, let's do one more example, and then I'm going to give you some try-its to do. All right, so here is our last example. Again, we're looking at tell whether negative 8 is a solution. So tell if negative 8 is a solution to y over negative 4 is greater than 4. All right, so let's go ahead and try this one. So again, I'm going to put negative 8 in for y. So I have negative 8 over negative 4 greater than 4. Well, negative 8 divided by negative 4, negative 8 divided by negative 4 is 2. 2 is greater than 4? No, this is not true. No, negative 8 is not a solution. It did not make this side truthful. 2 is smaller than 4, so 2 is not greater than 4. So negative 8 would not work. Okay, go ahead and hit pause right now because I'm going to flip my page over. That way you can finish your notes, and then we're going to do our try-its. So turn the page or hit play again when you're ready for your try-its. All right. Let's go ahead and do our try-its for today. The try-its for today are: tell whether negative 5 is a solution. Is negative 5 a solution? And that's the one that they're using for all of the problems. So problem number 1, try-it number 1 says x plus 12 is greater than 7. So go ahead and try that one. Try-it number 2, they are asking if 1 minus 2 p is less than or equal to negative 9. So is negative 5 a solution there? And last but not least, try-it number 3. Try-it number 3 says n divided by 2.5 is greater than or equal to negative 3. All right. So go ahead and hit pause right now so you don't hear me solving these. And then when you are ready, come on back, hit play, and check your level of understanding. All right. So in the first one, I'm going to take negative 5 and put it in for x. Negative 5 plus 12 is greater than 7. I have negative 5. I add $12 or deposit $12. So negative 5 plus 12 gives me 7. And is 7 greater than 7? Ooh. Is 7 greater than 7? That is a great question. But the answer is no, it's not. So no, it's not a solution. If this said an equal sign underneath it, then yes, it would be a solution because 7 is greater than or equal to 7. But this one doesn't have the equal to sign, so that one does not work. It is not a solution. All right, number 2, we're going to put in, again, -5. So take that -5 and we're going to put 1 minus 2 times -5 is less than or equal to -9. So let's solve first. So -2 times -5 is a positive 10. That says 11 is less than or equal to -9. Is that a solution? No, not a solution. So that one did not work. -5 is not a solution. Okay, and then our last problem, let's see if this one makes it true. We have -5 divided by 2.5 is greater than or equal to -3. All right, well, let's pull out our calculator and let's check this one. So we have -5 divided by 2.5, that gives us -2 is greater than or equal to -3. Is -2 greater than or equal to -3? Yes, it is, because -2 is closer to 0, so it makes it bigger than -3. So this one is yes. -5 is a solution. All right, go ahead now and answer your essential question. How do we check solutions for inequalities? How do we check solutions? And then put your level of understanding out to the side. Where are you at with your level of understanding? When you are finished, you can come on back to the Google Meet and ask for help if you need it, or you can go and do your practice work. As always, I appreciate all of your hard work and effort, and make it a great day.